Hey guys, welcome back. Eddie here from ATX Expert, and today's episode number 18. But that's not the point. Honestly, I don't know exactly which episode I'm ever filming because I just get so much footage all over the place all the time, and then I just put it all together, put it in my timeline, find the best footage, and then make a video out of it. Which is why in the following video you're gonna see parts of me wearing this new suit and then parts of me when I'm just like swimming shirtless. But that being said, the reason for why I'm making an intro to this video is because towards the end of the video, there was one little scene where I went to the bottom to get some footage of a swimming turtle, and while I went to the very bottom of the lake, well, someone actually went on the shore and they stole one of my GoPros. So yeah, if you really want to help me replace the GoPro, just like and subscribe. You don't have to send me money, you don't have to say rest in peace GoPro. It got stolen, it didn't die, like someone just literally snatched it out of the floaty that I had. Because when I go swimming, I bring everything in the water with me and I keep it on a float, like on a tube. Just because I know there are like a lot of people always on the shore of the river. However, so I had everything on a tube, just floating in the middle of the water. And I know what you're thinking. Hey, how did it get stolen? Here's the funny thing. Some guy on a canoe was just paddling, reached over into the tube in the middle of the river, grabbed my GoPro, and just booked it. So, long story short, I don't have a GoPro. But yeah, so there's that. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll respond to it. But please, just like and subscribe. Like, it takes 5 seconds.
Okay, so let's begin by just putting on our flippy floppies. These things actually help a lot. But now that we got them on, I gotta walk backwards with them. Alright, ready? And here we go. Oh, look. There's a tiny little fish. Come here. Come here, fishy. I said come here. I'll say come here. Oh, fine. I'll go get you then. You'll be sorry. And, oh, wait. Crap. Which... I don't know which one it was. Oh, hey, look at that. Tennis ball. So... there's a lot of them here, I notice. Put it in my pocket and continue looking for trash. And a bottle cap from some type of weird hipster beer. Drink it? Probably not. And another tennis ball. So, one of the things about this place is that there is a dog park not too far from here. And people just throw the balls for the dogs, but more than often the dog cannot catch it and the current just takes it, only to sink later on. Oh, wait, what is that? Looks like a lure? Yeah, like a fishing lure. Well, that's not safe. Look, it still has the line and everything. Let's just get this out of the water. Closer. Here. Fine. Oh, look at that. Another tennis ball. That's like the third one so far. That's so many tiny little fish. A lot of them, you know? I don't even know what to do with my hands. I want to pet them all like they're cats. Ooh, glasses. Fancy expensive glasses by Oakley. I'll probably clean them up and just sell them for half off, of course. Oh, what is that? Aw, just a rubber band. Well, do you see that? It's a catfish. Come here. Hey, kitty, 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 kitty. Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Come here, kitty. Fine. I'll go get you then. I don't care. That little cat. Okay, you're a fast cat. Never mind. Oh, that's a big bass. Let's see if I can touch it. Nope. Ah, my camera fell. I don't know what this is. Fish. Lucky lighter? Not so lucky. Well, I mean, I did find it underwater, so lucky to be found. Interesting. This fish is red and blue. And what is this? Looks like a firework. Probably from July the 4th, when they throw all the fireworks up in the air, up in the park. Some of them land them in the water, waiting for me to find them. Ah, another cat. The interesting thing is that they're not attached to a can, which means that someone purposely took them off and threw them in the water. Blah, 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 blah. Not sure what this is. It's... looks like a nutcase from an acorn. Yeah, it's definitely organic. Okay, not trash. I'll just let it go back down and let nature decompose it and do its thing. Oh, look at that. Not sure what kind of fish it is. No flushes. Oh, it's a bass. Now that I see it from the side, it's a tiny little bass. And another tennis ball. That's number 4.
What's that, the camera?
I'm not sure what that is. Looks like underwear, I mean, it's still trash, so I guess I'll get it. But man, now I wish I had gloves on. Let's see. It's a suck. And that's definitely a can of Mountain Dew? No, Four Loko. And who are the locos that throw that in the water? And another can. Why do people throw this in the water? I mean, there's like trash cans all over the place. I don't even know what this is. So far, I've found 2 cans and a suck. Why, people? That's not right. Bottle cap. Oh, it definitely is. One has been rusted. Means that it's been underwater for a while. Because typically they have... Oh, crap. I just realized that with my new suit, I don't have pockets. So, I should probably get something like a bag? Yeah, like a satchel. Just put her around so I can put all the trash that I find. Otherwise, I'll have to go out into the shore and drop everything off, you know? Seems like a lot of work, but just anything, for like even small things. It would be just nice to have a pocket. Oh well, let's continue searching. That's a big bass! Seriously, I think it's the biggest one that I've seen. I think. I mean, I've seen a few big basses, but man. Let's catch it. How fast can this thing be anyways? Okay, I guess it's faster than I thought, but I can swim faster too. And come here. Oh, okay, never mind. I'm not sure if that's the same bass from earlier or a different one. Like, I'm not trying to be racist here, but I think all bass look the same. Let's see, let's get closer. Oh no, it's definitely a different one. I think. Yeah, no, this is smaller. Yeah, it's not the same bass. See, I can tell them apart. I'm not racist. Ooh. Look at these 2 turtles. Like, that one is just trying to get to the big one, but it can't because of all the, like, sticks sticking in the way. Will you ever get to it? Interesting. Oh, you found a way. I see what you're doing. Oh, gotta move, gotta move. Now I can't follow y'all. What is that? Looks like tiny piece of plastic for sure. Almost like someone broke a bracelet and then all the little beads just went down the river. Well, I found one out of the possible hundreds. So, better than nothing, I guess. Alright. So that turtle spotted me while I was swimming, and so we decided to like blend in and camouflage. I think he's trying. Working. Look, can you see it? Well, it's moving now, so yes, you can. Oh, and it's going under the cave. So where to now? Yep, another turtle. Look at it. It's just walking, swimming. Well, it's like a combination of both. It spotted me. It's going. Out of breath. So yeah, that was intense.
Oh hey, so first I want to thank you for watching the whole video. I know it's long, 17 and something minutes. So thank you if you stuck to the end. Lastly, just one last reminder. Please like, share, and subscribe if you can. Takes a couple of seconds, but that's really gonna help me out to, get my new GoPro eventually. The more viewerships, the more views, the more comments. Just leave something. Just find a way to get the algorithm going so I can, I want a new GoPro. I want to go swimming. I want to film this. It was my passion. It's my hobby, and it sucks that someone just went and stole that like literally in front of my face, and there's nothing I can do about that. If someone has said so, yeah. I don't know what else to say. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching, and hopefully, by next year, I'll have a new GoPro, and then I can go swimming and get more footage because it's fun. You gotta try it. So, yeah. I got nothing. I'm not good with this like one-to-one interaction, just so you know. I'm trying my best.